Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Realme UI up to date and at least 200 MB free so the live wallpaper saves correctly. Now unlock the phone, long press an empty area on the home screen and tap Wallpapers to enter the gallery of options. If the app asks for storage or photos permission, grant it now so the system can load and preview motion files. Once done, select Live or My Live to proceed. This moves you into the... Now you pick the live wallpaper itself. Tap the Live tab or choose My Live to import a saved video or GIF. You will crop and position the file. Use 16:9 or another ratio so motion fills the screen. Make adjustments with pinch and drag. Toggle mute if the file has sound and set loop behavior. Preview the motion to confirm timing. Make sure to choose Home, Lock, or both before applying because that determines where the animation appears. Finish by tapping Apply and wait for the system to process and save the live wallpaper. Do not close the app mid-process. If the wallpaper appears static afterwards, make sure battery saver is off and that live wallpaper support is enabled in settings. If animation still fails, re-import the file or convert it to a compatible MP4/GIF format. Sometimes duration or codec causes issues. Finally, restart the phone. This often clears permission or service hangups and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.